Welcome to Illustrator tutorial. So today this video will focus on how to unite the two shapes together using the shape builder tool or the unite tool. Okay, so first of all we just randomly create two things here. Okay, but these two shapes will be intersect together, so I change the color, easier for you guys to reveal. Okay, but if you so we just click with these two different color. Okay, so we just use selection tool to select both objects. Okay, then we use the shape builder tool, click on the shape builder tool to unite it, click and drag to unite. But the condition here is if you use the two objects in different color, when you unite, the color will change to the latest color that you apply. Okay, so as you can see that this blue color is covering the yellow color, so when we use a shape builder to unite it, so we will change to the blue color because blue color is on top of the yellow color. Okay, so this is something you need to take note. Then now we create two circles here. Okay, this time we use another tool to unite them. So select both objects first, and then we go to the window, click on Pathfinder. So you'll see that the right side here will pop up a Pathfinder panel, and then the shape mode here, we just click on the first one to unite them. When you mouse over the first icon here, you will see it's unite. So once you click, it will unite both objects. Okay, so you see both is united. One is using a shape builder tool, the other one is using the Pathfinder unite tool. Okay, so thank you for watching.